Welcome! In this video tutorial, we'll show you the basic steps to design a walk-in closet system using the EasyClosets online design tool. The shape of the closet we are designing is a walk-in. This is typically an enclosed space you walk into that has product built onto the back and side walls. Choose the walk-in option if your closet shape is a square or rectangular. Once selected, your choices are View Sample Design or Enter Measurements. Click Enter Measurements. From here, the design tool asks for the dimensions of your space. The example we will use is for an 8-foot by 8-foot closet. The back wall is labeled here as B. The two side walls are A and C. Enter the dimensions for each wall in inches. Next, enter the dimensions of the return walls, which is the width from the right-hand wall to the door opening and the left-hand wall to the door opening. The return walls are labeled here as D and E. Make sure your dimensions are wall-to-wall, excluding the base molding. Click Submit. The EasyClosets design tool will display a layout. The organization system, referred to as units, runs the full length of wall B, and the units on walls A and C run up to wall B. The darker color here represents 14 inches of unit depth, and the lighter color represents 10 inches of clearance space. To change the layout, click the drop-down menu. You can choose to omit a wall or have the You can choose to omit or C run the full length. The or C run the fee changed here, or C run the units. The design tool will generate and display a suggested design plan where sections on each wall can be customized. When designing your walk-in closet, consider these 3 tips. Use focal points and aesthetics to create visual appeal. Make it easy to access items in your closet. Use the maximum amount of space. You are ideally looking to the center of wall B, the back wall, to be the focal point. This focal point could be drawers, a hutch, or shelving with doors because they tend to be more attractive. Clicking on wall B will open the editing options. When you click on the arrow, a menu pops down with all of the different configurations available to you in that section. Drawer units come in different configurations from 3 to 5 drawers in various heights. A brief description is provided when each option is highlighted. Once selected, the design updates to reflect this change. Shelving comes in 2 options, adjustable or combined with a hanging option. Hutch units always sit on the floor. On all hutch variations, the base drawer units are 19 inches deep, while the shelving above is 14 inches deep. Shoe shelves come in variations of straight or slanted shelves. The hamper option provides an easily removable basket. The slide-out basket options include single or multiple baskets with shelving above. At the very bottom of the drop-down is the Customize section, where you have more options to customize instead of using a pre-configured suggestion. The Undo button prompts you to confirm that you want to undo the changes. Clicking OK will then take you one step back. Located at the top right is the price, and with every change you make while designing, the price will automatically update. Centering a drawer unit to be the focal point can easily be done by evenly spacing the units on either side. First, delete a section by selecting Remove Section in the drop-down menu. Next, click on the Change Width option, then the Auto Size Evenly selection. Checkmark each section that needs adjustments and click Fill Evenly. The depth required for standard drawers, shelving, baskets, and hampers is 14 inches, while hanging garments typically extend 24 inches. Having deeper units on either side of a shallower focal point provides for easier accessibility. On the left and right of the drawers is where hanging garments can be placed. In the drop-down menu, you can choose from several different types of adjustable hanging configurations. Short hanging is a single hanging rod at the bottom with shelving above. Double hanging includes 2 hanging rods for shirts, blazers, blouses, or folded pants. Medium hanging is 1 closet rod and shelving above, providing room for storing knee-length dresses or longer jackets. Triple hanging has 3 levels, designed to accommodate young children's clothing. Tall hanging is for your full-length items, plus 1 shelf is included above. With tall hanging garments typically not used on a daily basis, placing them on either end of wall B means you won't have to reach into the back corner very often. Let's look at customizing the side walls, along with tips for making it easy to access items. Imagine standing inside the closet. Here, the left side of wall A is closest to the door, and the right side is closest to the rear wall. Shoe shelves are commonly placed in close proximity to the door because typically shoes are the final items chosen when getting dressed and the first items taken off when entering the closet. For the right portion of wall A, design for convenient access to the corners. It's easier to reach around 14-inch deep shelving or drawers instead of 24-inch deep hanging clothes to get into the corner storage on wall B. Proceeding to wall C, note that the left side is closest to the rear wall. Customize as desired, changing out sections to fit your storage needs. Expand to fill out any empty, unused space by selecting the autofill option. Adding more top shelf storage by means of connecting the top shelves is one of the many ways to maximize storage space. This can only be done with designs that have 90-degree angles. To include this feature, select Change Layout. Click Additional Features. Next, choose Connect Top Shelves. On the pop-up window, select Enable Top Shelves. Once enabled, the blue boxes show the connecting top shelves. Click Save and continue. The width of each closet section is another customizable option. Simply click on the number above any individual section. From here, you can enter a desired width. After clicking OK, you will notice that the design and the dimension summary will automatically update. This dimension summary will tell you the ceiling height, the top shelf height of the closet system, the usable width of the closet wall, and the width and depth of your closet system on that wall, referred to as units. The unused width is an important figure because you do not want to leave any more unused space than the 3/8 of an inch buffer that you need for ease of installation. The autofill option helps to fit the unused space. Used space. Here is where you choose the aesthetics and accessories to customize your closet. Color options will reflect in the design layout and pricing once clicked. Below the color options, you can select your hardware finish, front style for doors and drawers, and your handles and knobs, which include options to match your hardware. The accessories section provides additional options to add tie or belt racks, dividers, hooks, or other miscellaneous items. Other additional customizations include basket colors, drawer glides, crown molding, radius vertical panels, and special wall types. If you haven't done so already, name your design. The default name is Master, but you can change it to something unique for your design. Lastly, when everything is set just the way you like it, click the button to save your design. You will be prompted to save your design by setting up a new account, or save it to an existing account. Designing your custom walk-in closet system couldn't be easier. Get started today at EasyClosets.com. Get